Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a one of a kind property for sale. It is located in the prestigious Jacksale community. This property truly has it all: luxury, charm, and functionality. Located in one of Kingston's most prime and central residential areas, this home is just minutes away from shops, schools, and other key amenities. Set within the privacy of a cul-de-sac, this exceptional estate spans an acre of well-footed land, offering a cool climate, stunning mountain vistas, and sweeping views of the city. Main features include three air-conditioned bedrooms with ensuite bathroom on the main level, plus a convenient, self-contained flat or guest suite with a separate entrance on the lower level. Exquisite hardwood floors grace the expansive living room, while the dining and breakfast rooms flow seamlessly into a large, well-appointed kitchen, featuring top-of-the-line fixtures and finishes, a three-car garage, an air-conditioned gym or art studio, a laundry room, three-bedroom staff quarters with a kitchenette and spacious storage rooms. Enjoy a variety of leisure spaces, including a sparkling swimming pool, a rooftop terrace with a gazebo, and expansive manicured grounds, perfect for hosting gatherings. Schedule your viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,950,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.